In this video, I am going to go through how to withdraw money from Skrill, especially if you are using your phone, because somebody asked me about this, so I just thought let me do a short video explaining how to withdraw money from Skrill. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I ask you to do. I don't ask you to buy anything. I don't sell you anything. Everything you get from me, including information, is for free. If you are looking for forex robots, indicators, books, indicators, trading tools, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Okay, so let's get into this video. So if you've registered on Skrill and your account has been approved, and definitely you have downloaded Skrill from the App Store or from Google Play Store, it's on your phone. Basically, you've set it up on your phone. Now, if you are wanting me to do a video on how you can do all that stuff, registering, getting this thing on your phone and stuff, I can do that. But now the question is, how do you withdraw from Skrill? So it's what I'm going to focus on in this video. So what you want to do is definitely to go to your Skrill app, like so. I'm going to try and play some of the details, but I'm going to just show you an example of how you actually do that. So that's Skrill. Then I'm going to put in my pin, so I'm going to black out a bit. So it's going to log in now, and we'll see how much I have to do this example. What's happening with my internet? It's so slow. Okay, so you can see I just received some money from XM, the broker that I use. The link is in the description box below. This withdrawal, I just did it less than an hour ago. I just need this money to fix something on my car, so just said to make a quick withdrawal from my trading account so that I can pay the guy who is fixing something on my car. So this withdrawal, actually I made the withdrawal, I think it's less than an hour. Really, it's less than an hour on XM, and right there it's there on my Skrill. So yeah, you can see the balance. I'll try to break out some sensitive information, but you can see I've been using my Skrill also to trade on deriv and stuff like that. I'm not going to go much into my transactions in case the taxman is watching this video. Okay, so to do a withdrawal, you can see at the bottom there is a button for home, there's a deposit, there's crypto, there's if you want to send money from this Skrill account to another Skrill account, or to anywhere where you want to send the money, you can use that. The crypto you can use to buy it, cryptos. You can actually use Skrill to buy some cryptos. I have some cryptos that I've bought with my Skrill account. They were doing fine, but since the crisis in Eastern Europe and when the Bitcoin price just fell, I'm not doing as well as I wanted to be. But anyway, we'll see how the year plays out. So going back to the video, to withdraw, then we come to this button that says withdraw. We'll tap on that. Okay, so you can see the options that I have there. Either I can send it direct to my account, or I can send it to my MasterCard, or to my credit or debit card, or I can send it to direct to my bank account. The account that I've linked with this one is basically my Standard Bank account. So they are going to charge me 95 rand for this process if I'm going to send to my Standard Bank account, or they are going to charge 7.5% to send to my MasterCard. There it says 2 to 5 days to process this, and it will get into my account. There it says up to 3 business days. Most of the time I use the first option because I don't usually enjoy paying a lot of money in fees. 7.5 of 3,000, how much is that? I'm not sure. You quickly do the math, but I usually use the first option, because what I've noticed is the moment I do that as well, it has never taken me more than a day to see the money in my account. So I don't know if it's just efficiencies between Skrill and Standard Bank, or I don't know, but it has never taken more than a day. At most, I think probably has taken 18 hours or something like that, not the 2 to 5 days that they've written there. Okay, so again, I will try to just play out sensitive information. Okay, so now I must choose how much I want to send to my bank account. Minimum then will be 600 South African rands. Maximum that I can send is actually 3,000 South African rands. So I just have to choose how much I want to send to my account. It's in ZAR. So let's say 3,000. Because I love round numbers, and you basically click on continue. So basically, in terms of fees, there it said 75 rand or something like that, but in terms of fees, there you can see the fees there. It's actually 94 rand to withdraw 3,000 and send it to my Standard Bank account. Now I need to just confirm the withdrawal. So I again click on confirm. Transaction successful. I have just withdrawn money from Skrill. So basically that's it. That's how you actually withdraw money from Skrill. It's basically a seamless process. Here we can go back to the home screen. We'll probably see our funds have been updated. And basically what I'm now waiting for is for, you can see there the amount that has been deducted. You can see the amount that has been deducted there, and it's reflecting there. And very soon I'm actually going to get a notification from my bank. Like I said, I've noticed that it takes up to around 18 hours for my bank to actually receive the money, not the 2 to 3, 5 days that they've put there. Probably it does in some other countries, maybe in also some other situations. So I'm not saying that they are wrong and stuff, but well, just be prepared for up to 5 days for processing time. But what I've observed for me is usually just like less than a day. So from withdrawing money from my XM account to bringing it into my Skrill, and from my Skrill to my actual bank account, it usually takes less than a day. So I hope this video helps you about withdrawing money from Skrill. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.